Baby going to sleep now.
Here, baby, here.
Oh, you forgot that one. His feet. His feet.
Her feet, you mean? Stand her up. She wants more food.
Okay, she want more. What's she doing? Ga, ga, ga. You do it, mommy. You do it, mommy.
Okay. Come here.
You hurt my baby.
I don't know, I think she's full. Are you full, baby? Oh, she is full. Okay, you drink milk. Water.
Yes, water.
Why would I hurt your baby?
You do it. You hurt.
I don't hurt you.
Look at the star. Look at the star. La la la.
Okay, that's enough. Maybe she's full. We just put her food in the refrigerator, okay? Say bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.
No, say bye-bye, Facebook.
Bye, Facebook. Okay, good.
You'll have to wipe her face. Go get the tissue again.